there will be an alliance between the BJP and the JDU is what we know in the upcoming Jharkhand elections. This through our sources. Essentially, the BJP's stance is positive regarding alliance in Jharkhand assembly elections. BJP will talk about alliance with the AJSU and JDU in the final phase. A decision on alliance with the LJPR is going to be taken by the central leadership of the BJP. This is information that we have vis-a-vis the Jharkhand assembly elections. BJP seems to be positive in its alliance with the JDU. Essentially, it's going to be the India alliance versus the BJP-JDU combined in the upcoming elections in Jharkhand. Sources within the JDU indicating that BJP's stance is positive regarding alliance in Jharkhand assembly elections. BJP will talk about alliance with the AJSU and JDU in the first phase. Aditya Weber breaking that down for us. Aditya, what is it that you're picking up as far as their sources are concerned within the JDU as well? We've spoken about the fact that the BJP seems to be positive in their stance.
Exactly. As far as the information transpiring from party sources is concerned, we've been given to understand that BJP and JDU are set to align their forces ahead of Jharkhand state assembly elections. Notable is the fact that the BJP in the first session is contacting AJSU and JDU for coalition, and notable is the fact that central leadership of the BJP will take a final call on the alliance with LJPR for the Jharkhand elections.
All right, thanking you for the moment. Aditya Weber reporting on that story from Patna.